Hey everybody, this is Resmo3557 here with my second toy review, and today we're going to be reviewing the Trackmaster Trophy Thomas and the new Flying Scotsman from the movie The Great Race, which I have not seen yet. And yeah, I got these two off of Walmart today, and some of you guys might be wondering, what about Shooting Star Gordon? Well, I do have a Shooting Star Gordon, which I just got for Christmas. See? Look at him, he's fabulous. He looks so fabulous. It's fabulous. Streamlined. Alright, back to the subject. So, I got, this is very interesting. I've never had these. So it says collect them all, and now I have them all. There's Trophy Thomas. Kind of looks like a David Bowie Thomas, just like UC Weapons says. Flying Scotsman and Shooting Star Gordon. Alright, so I'm gonna get those out of the box, and let me just get my scissors. Alright, here. Out comes Flying Scotsman. Alright, out comes Scotty. I don't know why. Alright, here's Scotsman now with the box. Now let's get on to Thomas. Know what I'm doing. Just out comes Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Time to play. Alright. Just give me a second. Alright, so this requires like 2 AAAs, so alright. Alright, let's get Thomas out. Alright, Thomas. Well, I got him out, but come on. Oh, that calls the trophy out. Hey. Here's the cars out. So as you can see, these cars, wow. There's a trophy here which you can basically remove. What about this cargo? Oh, look at this stuff. Might be some spare engine parts. Oh, you can also remove this, which is pretty darn awesome and really insane. Alright. Alright, just try to. Alright, let me just slide back in. Alright, now Thomas. Wow. He is covered with so much lightning decal. Oh, it looks really awesome. His face is different compared to the other Thomas, which I'll show you. But just look at these faces. His face has a lightning bolt. His face is just normal. And also I just detailed him. Gave him buffer detailing and also. Alright, now onto the Flying Scotsman. Which you can tell this is Gordon's big brother, because I've heard histories. Just look at him. He has a really awesome face. Scott, you have a really awesome face. There's his tenders, LNER 4.72. They're very cloudy because he goes way so fast here. Well, I can't tell. Right. Flying Scotsman says. Alright, so I'll just put batteries in them and I'll be right back. I just got a battery fitted, well, 2 batteries fitted on Thomas AAAs. And let's just add him on to the Flying Scotsman. And we just got a battery fitted onto Scott. He's going really fast. Alright. I'm gonna go set up a... Alright, so I got my track set out. And one thing I forgot to mention, that this freight car has these sorts of wheels which would make this trophy spin. Wow. Alright. So I got my track set out, and I'm gonna start with Thomas. So just give me a second. Alright, Trophy Thomas, let's go. Hey, look at the trophy. It's spinning. It's spinning. Hey, look, it's spinning. Woo! This is really... This is one heck of a, well, whatever you call it. Just let me know in the comments section. Alright, so now let's just move on to the Flying Scotsman next. And now is the Flying Scotsman's test run. Woo! Ha! Going a bit fast. Wow, it looks so fast because that's Gordon's brother, right? Okay, that was really good. Oh my gosh, derailment. Okay, that's... Alright, Mustangs, that was all. This is really fun. Thank you so much for watching. It's been really great opening up these two trains. And also getting these shooting star going before I was gonna get those, because I got this for Christmas. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. And leave me a suggestion. Leave a suggestion in the comments below. Sorry, I kind of tripped over my own words there. Alright, so yeah. Okay, until next time. Bye, everyone.